Hello everyone, and welcome back to Home English Network. If you want to improve your English vocabulary, especially for IELTS, speaking, writing, and everyday communication, then this video is for you. In today's lesson, we are going to learn 20 basic English words and their more advanced alternatives. You may already know the basic words, but learning better alternatives can help you sound more confident, natural, and fluent in English. For every word, I will give you the basic word, the advanced word, its Urdu meaning, and an example sentence. So, let's begin. 1. Brave, right pointing arrow, courageous. The basic word is brave. Brave means. A more advanced word is courageous. Courageous also means especially someone who shows courage in a difficult situation. Example. Basic. He is a brave man. Better. He is a courageous man. Another example. She made a courageous decision to start her own business. Try using courageous in your IELTS speaking answers when you are talking about a person who faced a difficult situation. 2. Rich, right pointing arrow, wealthy. The basic word is rich. Its advanced alternative is wealthy. Both mean. Rich is very common in everyday English, while wealthy sounds more formal. Example. Basic. He is a rich businessman. Better. He is a wealthy businessman. You can also say, the city has many wealthy residents. 3. Poor, right pointing arrow, impoverished. The basic word is poor. A stronger and more formal word is impoverished. It means. Example. Basic. Many poor families live in this area. Education or social problems in IELTS. 4. Famous, right pointing arrow, renowned. The basic word is famous. The advanced word is renowned. Renowned means. Example. Basic. She is a famous doctor. Better. She is a renowned doctor. Another example. Pakistan is home to many renowned historical sites. Renowned is particularly useful in formal writing. 5. Smart, right pointing arrow, intelligent. The basic word is smart. The advanced word is intelligent. It means. Example. Basic. Ali is a smart student. Better. Ali is an intelligent student. You can also say, she is highly intelligent and learns new things quickly. 6. Funny, right pointing arrow, humorous. The basic word is funny. The advanced word is humorous. It means. Example. Basic. He is a funny person. Better. He is a humorous person. Another example. The speaker gave a humorous presentation. Remember that, humorous is generally more suitable for formal or academic contexts. 7. Dangerous, right pointing arrow, hazardous. The basic word is dangerous. The advanced word is hazardous. It means. Example. Basic. This chemical is dangerous. Better. This chemical is hazardous. You can use hazardous when talking about chemicals, workplaces, pollution, roads, or environmental problems. 8. Beautiful, right pointing arrow, gorgeous. The basic word is beautiful. A stronger alternative is gorgeous. It means. Example. Basic. She looks beautiful. Better. She looks gorgeous. Another example. The view from the mountain was absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous is very common in spoken English, especially when describing people, places, clothes, or scenery. 9. Angry, right pointing arrow, furious. The basic word is angry. The stronger word is furious. It means. Example. Basic. He was angry with me. Better. He was furious with me. For example, she was furious when she discovered that someone had lied to her. Remember, furious is much stronger than angry. 10. Quiet, right pointing arrow, tranquil. The basic word is quiet. The advanced word is tranquil. It means. Example. Basic. This is a quiet place. Better. This is a tranquil place. You can use tranquil when describing peaceful places, villages, gardens, beaches, or natural environments. Example. I love spending time in tranquil places away from the busy city. 11. Hungry, right pointing arrow, famished. The basic word is hungry. The stronger word is famished. It means. Example. Basic. I am very hungry. Better. I am famished. You can say, after walking for 3 hours, I was absolutely famished. Famished is useful in everyday conversation when you want to emphasize that you are extremely hungry. 12. Tired, right pointing arrow, exhausted. The basic word is tired. The advanced word is exhausted. It means. Example. Basic. I am very tired. Better. I am exhausted. For example, after working all day, I felt completely exhausted. Exhausted is stronger than tired, so use it when you want to show a high level of tiredness. 13. Clean right pointing arrow spotless. The basic word is clean. The advanced word is spotless. It means, example, basic, her room is very clean. Better, her room is spotless. You can also say, the hotel room was absolutely spotless. This word is excellent when something is extremely clean and has no visible dirt or marks. 14. Dirty right pointing arrow filthy. The basic word is dirty. The stronger word is filthy. It means, example, basic, his clothes are dirty. Better, his clothes are filthy. Another example, the kitchen was filthy and needed to be cleaned immediately. Remember that filthy is much stronger than dirty. 15. Lucky right pointing arrow fortunate. The basic word is lucky. The advanced word is fortunate. It means, example, basic, I am lucky to have good friends. Better, I am fortunate to have good friends. Fortunate is especially useful in formal English. For example, I feel fortunate to have had the opportunity to study abroad. 16. Careful right pointing arrow cautious. The basic word is careful. The advanced word is cautious. It means, example, basic, you should be careful while driving. Better, you should be cautious while driving. Another example, she was cautious about sharing personal information online. Cautious is an excellent word for IELTS topics related to safety, technology, and daily life. 17. Strange right pointing arrow bizarre. The basic word is strange. The stronger word is bizarre. It means, example, basic, that was a strange experience. Better, that was a bizarre experience. You can use bizarre when something is extremely unusual or difficult to explain. 18. Clear right pointing arrow obvious. The basic word is clear. The advanced alternative is obvious. It means, example, basic, it is clear that he needs help. Better, it is obvious that he needs help. Another example, it became obvious that the plan was not working. Obvious is very useful when explaining your opinion or describing a situation. 19. Strong right pointing arrow resilient. The basic word is strong. A more advanced word is resilient. Resilient means, example, basic, she is a strong person. Better, she is a resilient person. This word is especially useful in IELTS topics about challenges, education, careers, and personal development. For example, children can become more resilient when they learn how to overcome challenges. 20. Change right pointing arrow transform. Finally, we have the basic word change. A powerful alternative is transform. It means, example, basic, technology has changed our lives. Better, technology has transformed our lives. Another example, education can transform a person's future. This is an excellent word for IELTS writing task 2 because you can use it when discussing technology, education, society, or development. Final challenge. Now, let's quickly review all 20 words. Brave, courageous, rich, wealthy, poor, impoverished, famous, renowned, smart, intelligent, funny, humorous, dangerous, hazardous, beautiful, gorgeous, angry, furious, quiet, tranquil, hungry, famished, tired, exhausted, clean, spotless, dirty, filthy, lucky, fortunate, careful, cautious, strange, bizarre, clear, obvious, strong, resilient, change, transform. Remember, learning advanced vocabulary is not just about memorizing difficult words. The most important thing is to use these words correctly in sentences. Don't try to replace every basic word with a difficult word. Choose the word that naturally fits the situation. For IELTS, vocabulary is important, but accuracy, pronunciation, grammar, fluency, and natural usage are also extremely important. So, choose 5 words from today's lesson and make your own sentences with them. For example, I am fortunate to have supportive friends. Education can transform society. She is a resilient person. This is a tranquil place. The view was absolutely gorgeous. Practice these sentences aloud several times. The more you practice, the more naturally these words will become part of your vocabulary. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Home English Network, and turn on the notification bell for more English vocabulary, IELTS words, speaking practice, and daily English lessons. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, better words can help you express better ideas. See you in the next lesson. Keep speaking English with confidence.